Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Contemporary bedroom ceiling design ideas have transformed the traditional concept of overhead spaces into captivating expressions of modern aesthetics, embracing clean lines, minimalist elegance, and innovative materials. These designs redefine the ambience of the bedroom. Tray ceilings adorned with subtle lighting features create a sense of depth and sophistication, while geometric patterns introduce a dynamic visual appeal. Coffered ceilings characterized by recessed panels add an edge of architectural charm, seamlessly blending tradition with contemporary style. Floating gypsum boards with integral LED strips provide a flustered ambience, allowing for customizable lighting effects. Exposed beams, often associated with rustic decor, find a modern twist in sleek urban bedrooms, bringing warmth and character. Acoustic panels not only enhance sound quality but also serve as a canvas for artistic expression, enabling unique and personalized designs. Mirrored or reflected surface amplify natural light, making smaller spaces feel more expansive. The incorporation of asymmetrical elements adds an avant-garde flair, breaking away from conventional symmetry. Ultimately, contemporary bedroom ceiling designs showcase a fusion of innovation and comfort, transforming these often overlooked spaces into the key contributors to the overall aesthetic and mood of the modern bedroom. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.